How to apply for unemployment in Michigan. Applying for unemployment in Michigan usually looks more complicated than it really is. Most delays do not happen because the form is too hard. They happen because people start without the right information, create the wrong login setup, or think the job is finished the second the application is submitted. That last mistake is the one that causes the most trouble later.
Michigan's Unemployment Insurance Agency, or UIA, says unemployment benefits are temporary financial assistance for people who become unemployed through no fault of their own.
So the easiest way to think about the process is this. Prepare first, file through the right portal, then keep the claim moving by doing the follow-up steps on time. What do you need before you apply? This part makes the whole process feel easier. Michigan's claimant roadmap says you should have your driver's license or state ID, social security number, bank account, and routing number if you want direct deposit, and for non-citizens, your USCIS number and work authorization details. It also says you need employer information for each employer from the last 18 months, plus your first and last day worked, pay rate, how often you were paid, and the reason for the job separation or reduced hours. There is also one detail people often miss. Michigan says that even if you disagree with your employer about the separation reason, you should still use the reason the employer provided to avoid unnecessary delays. If UIA needs more detail, it may send a request for information, and you generally have 10 calendar days to respond. How do you actually apply? The easiest route is online. Michigan says you must first create or use an existing MiLogin account, then sign in to MiWAM, which is the UIA system for managing your unemployment claim. MiWAM is available all day, every day, and it is where you file the claim, check your balance, update personal information, choose a payment method, submit work, search information, and handle notices from the agency. That login step matters more than people think. Michigan says MiLogin is the account used for many state services, so checking whether you already have one can help avoid delays. Once you are in MiWAM, you complete the application there. What happens after you apply? Michigan says you should get a monetary determination letter in about 5 to 7 business days. That letter tells you whether you meet the minimum requirements and outlines any benefits you may be eligible for. Michigan also says the letter will be posted in MiWAM or sent by mail depending on your communication settings. This is where many people stop paying attention too early. To receive benefits, Michigan says you usually must register for work unless your monetary determination letter says otherwise. That means creating a job seeker profile with Pure Michigan Talent Connect and meeting with staff from your local Michigan Works office to verify the profile at least one business day before you certify for the first time. How do you keep the claim active? Michigan says you must complete at least one valid work search activity for each week you want benefits, keep a written record, and report that activity during your biweekly certification. The state also says benefits will not be released until the work search activity is reported for each week. Then comes the step that keeps the claim alive. Michigan says you must certify every 2 weeks through MiWAM or by phone through Marvin. If you do not certify on time, UIA can close your claim. The agency also says benefit payments are generally issued in 2 to 3 business days after certification, if there are no issues. The easiest way to make it go smoothly. So the easy version is this: get your ID, social security number, bank details, and work history ready. File through MiLogin and MiWAM. Read your monetary determination letter carefully. Register for work if your letter requires it. Then complete your weekly work search and certify every 2 weeks without missing the deadline. That is the real shortcut. Applying for unemployment in Michigan is usually not hard because the application is confusing. It gets hard when people forget that the claim continues after they file. And if UIA sends a request for information or a determination you disagree with, respond fast, because deadlines matter. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.